Hello, I choose joy. We are getting ready to use the peaches that I picked on my walk in the neighborhood from an abandoned house that has an abundance of well, maybe I shouldn't say abandoned. The house has no residents. And we're going to use the peaches. They are quite dark because I did not put lemon juice on them before. So these are some brown girls. I am going to make them spicy because you know that I like spice. I'm going to use some habaneros that I picked from the garden today. So come on, let's do it. Okay, for all of you who are wondering if the freezer pectin can also be interchangeable with canning, it cannot. This pectin is specifically made for freezer jams. The other pectin is made for cooking jams. As you can see, this is already pretty much set up. I mean, it's so easy peasy. If you want it to be shelf stable, then you probably want to use the cooking jam or the cooking pectin. But for me, I will be giving these away to a couple of people. So I will place this in the refrigerator for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we'll come back because it should be completely set then. And we will try it out and see what it tastes like. So stay tuned, okay? Let's clean up these dishes. I just had to come back before the 24 hours. Y'all, this jam has only been in the fridge for 2 hours, and look how thick it is. Now that's the truth. Let's try it. Oh my God, even with the amount of sugar I had to put in it, it's still delicious. Because I hate, when I say I hate, and I don't even like to use the word hate, it's like banned from our house. I don't like to use that much sugar. I can buy sugar and it'll last me for about 1.5 years, maybe 2. That's good. But we'll check back tomorrow. We'll see how thick it will get tomorrow, okay? Stay tuned.